EZVIZ established itself in 2013, primarily dealing with security technology and a wide range of devices, particularly surveillance options. The company's mission is to provide both private and commercial customers with a robust cloud network that provides 24/7 monitoring of their premises with all the security needed. Now, EZVIZ is venturing into the smart door lock market, hoping to provide consumers with an affordable and featured pack option that will provide some peace of mind. This is the EZVIZ DL01S Smart Door Lock. This sleek little device can transform your old front door lock into an upmarket keyless entry option that utilizes your smartphone. With that said, let's unbox this guy and get it up and running. So in the box you do indeed get everything you need to get this up and running. In addition to the locking mechanism, we have the code entry dial and a home gateway that provides an internet connection. Also, we get the installation components and tools like 2 mounting plates, 4 AA batteries, a hexagon wrench plus driver, screw kit, a door sensor and a quick start guide along with your basic instruction manuals. When it comes to the appearance of the smart door lock, there are several aspects worth discussing. Firstly, this EZVIZ model boasts an impressive design that leaves little room for criticism. It is notably reminiscent of the SwitchBot lock and Nuki opener combo smart top door locks that we have previously seen dominating the smart door lock market. Not only is the design visually appealing, but it is also highly functional with dimensions of 126.9 by 43.2 by 56.9mm. It is rather slim and easy to install on most door types. I really do think the lock's design is the perfect blend of noble aluminium and black colour. It gives it a sleek and premium appearance. When you look at its build quality, it is pretty impressive too. It is undoubtedly crafted with high quality components. The aluminium alloy doorknob is an excellent addition as it can be turned as smoothly as butter, providing a delightful tactile experience. Moreover, the buttons on the code disc offer a satisfying pressure point, which adds to the overall quality of the lock. The installation process for the smart lock is very simple and even beginners can do it easily. You do not need to remove the cylinder, which means that you don't have to drill or replace anything. You can attach the smart lock to the existing key in less than 10 minutes. To install the smart lock on my door, I used plate A and attached it to the door lock cylinder plate with adhesive tape. Then I mounted the lock body using the provided screws, inserted the batteries, and placed the front cover back. I installed the door sensor from the inside of the door, ensuring that the distance between the door lock and the sensor was less than 5 centimeters. Now it is up to you, but if you prefer, you can install the optional keypad outside on the door. The gateway is also optional and can be directly connected to your router or wirelessly. I obviously chose the wireless option, and that really is it. The installation is a breeze. After you have installed the smart lock, the next step is to pair it with your smartphone. To do this, you will need to download the EZVIZ app first. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once downloaded, open the battery cover and scan the QR code. After scanning the QR code, hold down the control pad and the top of the smart lock for a long time until you hear a short beep. This indicates that the app and the smart lock have successfully paired. Once the pairing process is complete, the app will guide you through the setup process step by step. The instructions are easy to follow and you really don't need any technical expertise to complete this process. Once the setup is complete, you can add the gateway and number field by scanning the corresponding QR codes on the back of the device again. These codes are also located under the battery cover. Once the codes are entered into the app, the gateway and smart lock can be connected to each other. With this connection to the gateway, you can control the smart lock remotely using your smartphone practically anywhere. This means that you can lock and unlock your door from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Unlocking the smart lock can be done in various ways depending on the user's preference. 2 of the most popular methods include the use of the smartphone app and the dial code. With the app, the users simply need to set a unique combination of numbers, which can be done in a matter of seconds. This feature is particularly useful in a multi-person household or Airbnb rentals, because it allows guests to easily access the apartment without the need of physical keys. In addition to this, temporary access codes can be created which can be revoked at any time. This simply ensures that guests have secure access to the apartment only during their stay, and in turn the host can maintain complete control over the access codes even after guests have left. Within the app's UI, you'll be able to access important information about the lock's current status, such as whether it's opened or closed. Additionally, the app provides you with the ability to remotely unlock the door if someone is standing in front of it and is unable to unlock it manually. This feature is especially useful in situations where you need to let someone in but aren't nearby to physically open the door. To keep you informed of any changes to the lock status, real-time notifications will be sent directly to your phone. Locking the door is also a breeze with this device. You can either use the app or manually turn the rotary knob to lock it securely. This gives you the flexibility to lock the door using whichever method is more convenient for you. Now, alternatively, if those still aren't enough, the 2 cards that come with the lock can be used like key cards to open the door without any issues. So there is a lot of flexibility in the way you unlock this. These cards are a great option for situations where you don't have your phone with you or need to grant access to someone who doesn't have the app installed. The application is user-friendly and it enables you to grant temporary or permanent access to other individuals. You can achieve this by creating a Bluetooth key, a temporary password, or providing physical access keys. The application displays an activity log, which allows you to keep track of what is happening. Furthermore, the door lock settings menu enables you to choose between different Bluetooth connection modes or activate or deactivate the anti-tampering alarm. There is a lot of customization in the menu interface. You can modify the audio and remote unlock calibration settings. The setting menu does empower you to turn on and off the auto lock feature as well, and adjust the locking time and other security settings. Overall, the application is feature rich, and I can't deny I do appreciate its simplicity and ease of use. All in all, the EZVIZ Smart Lock is a solid and reliable unit. The smart door lock works perfectly exactly as it should, and the installation process is simple and hassle-free. With that said, be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.